I liked biology more than maths. My percentage, and it was 98.6%, which is backlog, especially 12 out of 25. Hello everyone, I'm Shriya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share with you all how I went from being a topper in class 10th to being a complete disaster in class 11th. So let's get started. So my 11th class started actually just after my class 10th got over. Like just after my last board exam, I started searching for like what are different streams, what are their career options, and etc. etc. Very excited for the new chapter of my life, and I was very much interested into science from the very beginning. Like since the start, I was very much into, okay, either I will take PCM or PCB, even though I liked biology more than maths. But I knew that I did not want to be a doctor, so I took PCM. And after taking PCM, I got to know about JEE and IITs, and after gathering, like after a whole week of research around this IIT, JEE, NIT, and everything, I enrolled myself in an online JEE class, and I think like in just the first week of April, my class just started online classes, and I started studying dedicatedly. This time our school has also started, but school में कोई पढ़ा नहीं रहा था, and teachers were also like chatting, students were also gossiping, so it was just going like a time pass kind of situation. I don't know if it was just our school or everywhere happens this way, but in our school बस time pass हो रहा था every day. So I was kind of very confident in myself. I was like, oh my god, like it's the first days and I am actually studying new chapters. I'm studying physics. I've completed a chapter of physics that was units and dimensions. Okay, that was the first chapter we all study. And basic maths, some concepts of basic maths, and then I think some like a chapter of physical chemistry. Like I was actually done with some chapters initially. Like as in our school, the teachers were not teaching anything, and the students were also just not taking studies seriously because अभी तो boards खत्म हुए हैं. We don't really need to study that hard. So I was very confident, and at that time our board results came, and when I got the result, I calculated my percentage, and it was 98.6%. Very unexpected, like not unexpected, but I would say a very like I was the highest scorer in my school, so I became my school topper. It's a very huge number if you like see actually. And the very next day, I was actually surprised. Like I didn't know about this, but my parents just showed me that, oh my god, I had like my photo was in the newspaper because I was the city topper in my class 10th. So it was like a khushi ki leher. Everyone in my family, my parents were so proud of me. My family, everyone was congratulating me in school. Every teachers were like, oh my god, Shreya, you've done a great job, and blah blah blah. So I was very happy. But on the other hand, शाम को in JEE classes, they were like, oh, boards का result आ गया, okay, congrats, and then it just got over. I found it very weird at that time. Like, why aren't like we study so hard for 10th boards, और इतना हवा बना रखा है 10 boards का, but these teachers are not giving anything about our board results. But I was like, okay, anyways. So ऐसा करते करते जून आ गया, and we had our summer vacation school में. But of course JEE classes, online classes की छुट्टियाँ नहीं होती हैं, but at that time, because vacation stay or 10th तक I was very like boards के लिए पढ़ना था, so we took a 1 week family trip. Like we went for a family trip for a week, and in that 1 week I didn't touch my books at all. I didn't opened any live classes, and I was just free, and I was just traveling. I was just being happy. By the time I went back home and I opened my laptop, opened the live class, I was completely like speechless. I was not able to understand any single word the teachers were saying. Even though सब कुछ हिंदी में था, सब कुछ इंग्लिश में था, nothing was getting inside my brain. And at that day, I got to learn a new English word that is very famous among the aspirants, which is backlog. I had a huge backlog of 15 lectures, and I was like, and I got to know कि अगर मैं ये lectures complete नहीं करूँगी, I would not be able to understand the future stuff. जो टीचर्स अभी पढ़ा रहे हैं, आई वुड नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सो मुझे पहले ये कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. आई वाज लाइक ओके, नाउ it's time to lock in actually. So I started watching all the lectures and making notes, but by the time मैंने almost like 1/3 of the lectures complete किया, I realized कि मैं पुराने lectures भूल चुकी हूँ. So I came to realize that okay, just watching lectures is not clearing backlogs. You have to watch those lectures, solve उनके questions, पुराने chapters का revision भी करना है. It is a very big task. It just became very very complicated for me. I felt like oh my god, मैं trip पे क्यों ही गई? Like it felt like was going to a trip such a big mistake. But कुछ भी कर करके मैंने very like अच्छे से with solving questions, revision और backlog cover करने के साथ till the end of the June मैंने अपना backlog कैसे तैसे complete किया. And then by July we have our schools once again started. And starting में it felt like okay, everything's going well again, but it started getting hectic by first and second week of July because सुबह 7 बजे we are going to school, सुबह दोपहर को 2 बजे I am coming back home, और उसके बाद I think 4 से 8 या 8:30 I had my online classes. So बहुत कम टाइम था बीच में मेरे लिए कि मैं क्या कुछ और एक्टिविटी करूँ या कुछ रेस्ट करूँ, बिकॉज इधर इट स्कूल वर्क, या तो स्कूल में जाओ या स्कूल काम करो, या फिर आप ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो, या फिर आप उसका होमवर्क कर रहे हो. एंड देन यू ऑल्सो नीड टाइम टू एक्चुअली डाइजेस्ट things because concepts were really really heavy. Like the chapters were becoming really new and tough. Of course the syllabus of 11th is quite tough, so it started becoming pretty hectic, but I was like okay, I can manage it. And still it was manageable until my school announced UT1 results. तो starting में मेरे mock test के अंदर जो JK mock test हो रहे थे, they were pretty decent number, but एक backlog होने के बाद the mock test में जो marks हैं वो of course downfall होना शुरू हो गया marks का. So I was very sad कि marks कम होने लग गए हैं. So I was pretty determined कि नहीं, मुझे यार कम से कम स्कूल के एग्जाम्स में, मेरे UT1 हो रहे हैं स्कूल में, तो I have to score good marks in school. like ये कुछ तो आप दिखाओगे ना, लाइक पेरेंट्स को भी, लाइक कि ये एग्ज़ाम में मार्क्स आप क्या रहे हैं, यू आर स्टडिंग समथिंग. सो अब दिक्कत क्या थी कि जो स्कूल में सिलेबस चल रहा था, इन्होंने जो भी सिलेबस चलाया जुलाई से हमारे स्कूल में, दैट वाज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट आई वाज स्टडिंग इन जे क्लासेस के 3 मंथ्स में भी, बिकॉज स्पेशली इन केमिस्ट्री, लाइक वहाँ पे फिजिकल चल रहा है, हमारी स्कूल वाली मैम ऑर्गेनिक पढ़ा रही हैं बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग से, एंड आई हैड नो आइडिया अबाउट ऑर्गेनिक. सो मैंने क्या किया कि कैसे कैसे करके आई वॉज लाइक ओके, आई हैव टू स्कोर वेल इन स्कूल एज वेल. सो मैंने आई स्किप्ड क्लासेस अगेन, क्योंकि डेली हमारे एग्जाम्स होते थे, लाइक वी आर गोइंग डेली टू स्कूल, और रोज़ 1 घंटे का एग्ज़ाम है स्कूल के अंदर, और फिर शाम को अगर क्लासेस हैं तो फिर मैं स्कूल के लिए नहीं पढ़ पाती थी. तो फिर आई थॉट ओके, लेट्स जस्ट टेक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम जिस जे क्लास, और मैं स्कूल के लिए मैंने पढ़ना शुरू किया स्कूल के लिए, एंड आई गेव माई एग्ज़ाम्स, एंड उससे दोबारा बैकलॉग बन गया. सो आई वॉज इन टू कि अब बैकलॉग भी कंप्लीट करना है. Then we got the UT1 का result, and I was completely shocked. I was devastated, like shocked, like I was devastated. I was shaken to my core. I don't know what to say. मुझे आए थे केमिस्ट्री में स्पेशली 12 out of 25. Like those numbers were like, I was looking at those numbers for the first time in my life. Like I was a girl who never saw less than 22 marks in a 25 marks paper. Like मेरे 3 नंबर ज़्यादा कभी नहीं कटे थे 10th तक, and I actually saw 12 marks. Like it was how should I say, like it was unbelievable. I could not, like I was not expecting this from me, and I was very very disappointed. So I was like nahi, like at that time I realized that okay, the mess has actually began, and I have to work really really hard in this class. So अब because backlog already बन चुका था, I have to complete that backlog. तो अब ये विशेष साइकिल ना एक बार ये लूप में चलता ही गया बिकॉज हमारा स्कूल इज वॉज वेरी वेरी वियर्ड. लाइक टीचर स्कूल में कुछ नहीं पढ़ा रहे थे, but the paper they set, the paper our school set is very very difficult. Like it's very good level, I won't say difficult, but a good level paper. Like they actually ask questions not from boards PYQs but actually from JEE NEET PYQs. They put questions in the question papers, even in small UTs like unit tests. So and और क्या, हमारे स्कूल वाले हर महीने पेपर रखते थे. लाइक UT1, UT2, then half yearly, then UT3, then UT4, then final. So like every month we are just preparing for any kind of exam. So उन एग्जाम्स के चक्कर में I created a lot of backlog, और उस backlog बहुत ज़्यादा messy हो गया था हर चीज़. So I was at that time when August, September, October के time पे I took permission from my parents. Okay, please talk to my teachers that I will not be able to go to school every single day. Probably 2 to 3 times a week because मेरा बहुत backlog हो गया है and I have to complete that backlog. I have to solve questions as well. It's going to be very very tough. Okay, so it just happened. So at that time what happened was मैं school नहीं जा रही थी. I was just in my room in front of my laptop, books all over me, and I was just either watching lectures or either making notes or solving questions. It just became a very very I was I became very isolated at that time. I was not talking to anyone. I didn't really have many friends. Like I only had 2 or 3 friends in school. I stopped talking to people. I stopped going outside. I was just sitting in my room all day long. My sleep schedule was messed up, and it was at this time that I started eating a lot of junk food, especially sugar and sweet foods, as my escape, because my mental health was completely disturbed. Okay, now for some people this routine might be very very productive, like they are just sitting all day long inside a room and studying all day, but for me my body could not take it, my mind could not take it, and I was not able to manage my school and my JEE classes at one time. I was not able to do that at all. uh, Actually at that time I felt so disappointed in myself because JEE में marks नहीं आ रहे थे. I was not even scoring well in school. Like a person who was a topper in her class 10th, who just topped her city a few months back, is struggling so much with studies. I became disappointed in myself, and that disappointment led to so much demotivation within me that I didn't want to study. Like the studying did not, like पहले मुझे पढ़ने में मज़ा आता था. I started losing that मज़ा in studies because everything just became a rat race for marks and a rat race for scoring those particular numbers in that particular test and not for gaining knowledge. And even if it was for gaining knowledge, I had too many backlogs to actually study anything on a very deep level. I was like मुझे किस तरह से ये chapter complete करना है बस. तो it became just that way. And ऐसा करते करते January came. Like I was completely messed up. I was devastated. Was I started gaining weight at this time, but that's a complete different story. Now January came और February में हमारे school में final exams होते थे. So I was like no, I had to, like मुझे 11th पास तो करना है यार. like सो आई गैदर्ड माई करेज वंस अगैन। मैंने लिस्ट बनाई कि कौन से चैप्टर्स मुझे आते हैं अच्छी तरीके से, कौन से चैप्टर्स मैंने बिल्कुल भी टच नहीं करे हैं, कौन चैप्टर की मुझे थ्योरी आती है, या एवरीथिंग आई रोट इट डाउन ऑन अ पेपर एंड आई ओपन यूट्यूब एंड आई वॉच्ड every single thing. I made notes, I learned, like in 1 month I tried ki I gave my 100% so that I would be able to at least pass in my 11th class ke papers. Days went by, I gave my exams, went back home. I was not very happy with how my exams went. I was not very satisfied because, of course, they didn't went as well as my exams used to. Like, जब तक मैं 10th में थी. Now the result day came and the teacher gave me the report card, and I was actually very shocked to see my result. It was a bittersweet moment. Why bittersweet? Because I got 89% in my class 11th, 98 in class 10th, 89 in class 11th. It was like a girl who never saw less than 95% in her entire school life. 89% was a very like weird number for me. I don't know what to say. But I was happy because it was sweet, because I was not even expecting this much. I was like मैं पास भी नहीं होंगी. So मेरे लिए that number was also very big at that time. अरे मेरे इतने आ गए. I felt confidence in me once again कि हाँ मैंने एक month जितने भी मैंने I was completely messed up and I gave my 100% in the till the very last moment and I actually got a decent result. So I was very happy. And बाद में जाके when I talked to my classmates, I got to realize that I was still in top 3 of my class. The highest percentage in our class was like around 92-93%. So I was like, okay, and that just boosted my confidence and made me feel okay, I can do it. At one point of time in class 11th, I stopped believing that studying was even meant for me. I started feeling so uh, how should I say it? कि I am not able to do this. I lost all hope in myself. But when I got the result and I got to know that okay, I'm still in top 3 of my class, that confidence boost was of another level, and that's how I entered my class 12 with a positive attitude and mindset. कि नहीं, if I actually give my 100%, I can actually do it. So, yeah, this was the entire story of me from being a complete city topper in class 10 to a very mediocre student in class 11th. And I think this is a very, like, this happens to many students. Like, almost every topper of our class went through this phase. So, I feel like this is very common among students. I hope you find this video like I hope you like this video. So like to my channel, so subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in the very next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.